Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living.
Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. Today I'm out in my beautiful yard in Chatsworth, and I am going to make today a salad niçoise, a California version, my version of a very French, amazing salad. But I need lettuce, and lettuce is growing in my veggie pot. If you guys follow me, you have seen that I got these last year for my birthday. My birthday's coming, so I'm just going to take a head of lettuce. I think I'll take this one right here, and this will be the base for my salad. I'm gonna make a really easy salmon niçoise salad. Niçoise salad comes from France. It's very French, but I'm doing my California version of it with some grilled salmon. I've got organic salmon. I'm going to season it with herbes de Provençal because I'm doing a very French cuisine, and it's a delicious salad. It has lots of yummy ingredients like olives and asparagus and potatoes and red onions and tomatoes and even some anchovies if you like. First thing first, I'm gonna grill my salmon while I cut up everything else. So let's get over here, turn on the stove. So I've already put olive oil on the grill, and I'm gonna grill these up while I cut up all my ingredients. And so it cooks properly on the grill because I don't have to cover. I'm just putting one of those, tin foil covers you buy at the store over. You saw that I got the lettuce out of my garden. I am going to make the bed here, and I'm gonna build from here the whole salad. So let me cut up some of my romaine lettuce that I got out of my lovely veggie pods. I love these veggie pods, they grow everything. Just cut that, bam. Yeah, so salad niçoise is French. It's usually no cooked food or very little cooked stuff, but I have potatoes that I've already cooked. This is gonna be starting here. All right, next I'm going to cut some tomatoes up. All right, I've already cooked these potatoes. I cooked my potatoes in the microwave. You can cook them in the oven or in the microwave, depending on what you like. Asparagus. I've already pre-cooked these asparagus, so I'm just gonna lay them here. So you have your asparagus there, because we're gonna put the salmon in the middle. We need red onions, and then I'll make the dressing. All right. A couple of red onions. You don't need much. Okay, now I'm gonna add my calamati olives, which I think I put in every salad that I eat. I've already drained these. We're just gonna put the olives here. And I'm making the platter really pretty for when people come over and you wanna have a beautiful salad that's also tasty. Capers, but I'm just gonna sprinkle the capers everywhere. So with the olives and the capers and everything, it's a little salty. You have salt, so you don't have to put too much salt. But the dressing will have a little bit of salt too, and you can always add as you like it. Okay. So boiling eggs. The trick to boiling eggs and making sure they're perfect so they peel off correctly is really hot water, and then I put salt in it, and then I take them up to a high boil, then I turn them off because you don't want to overcook your eggs. And I put a top on, and then in about 5 to 7 minutes, completely, beautifully hard-boiled eggs. My salad dressing is really simple. It's white balsamic vinegar, probably like about 1/3 of a cup. Of course, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, that's our base. And that's probably like 1/4 of a cup. The juice of a lemon. right, let me cut the shallots right quick. I don't know, you know, shallots, I love shallots. It's a deal that I'm gonna cut up. Salt and pepper in here. So I finished my Salmon Nicoise salad, which looks amazing. I have potatoes, tomatoes, eggs, asparagus, galamate olives, red onions, a bed of lettuce underneath it with capers and a little dill on top, and my salad dressing. Let's get the dressing on here. Get all this together. Let's taste it. So good. You know, it reminds me about sitting on the south of France, sitting outside, just having a fabulous meal. This is fabulous. My mother will love this. Everybody will love this. My kids will love it. A lot of protein. And if you're trying to be health conscious like me right now, I've been really trying to like lose weight. I've been looking at myself on film like, oh my God, I gotta lose the weight. But because I love cooking and eating and drinking and having a good time. So you know where to find the recipe, all recipes on www.allieandthevalley.com. Salmon Nicoise Salad. That's bomb.